welcome back to my channel. I'm Miranda and I'm super excited because today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to achieve the most perfect look that anybody can do with 4 eyeshadow colors, and here they are. I'm going to dive right in. First, I prep my eyelids with either an eye primer or a concealer. I use these two typically together actually, simply because I have pink tinted eyelids, and so concealer really helps cover that up, and the eye primer helps the eyeshadow keep on all day and it keeps it from creasing. You don't get any kind of wear to it throughout the day. So then we're going to dive into this gorgeous palette that I've created here with my pressed shadows. We're going to get started with the color Nimble. And I'm going to take a blending brush. I really like the crease brush. We're going to go right in here, top of your crease. And bring it down onto the corner of the lid. Kind of make a triangle with this shape and blend it down the back of your eyelid. And if you have a higher brow bone, you can bring it up on there. Very soft. Just keep using the same color and blend it out so it softens as it goes up. Next, we're going to go in with this beautiful purple here that's going to add a little bit of an accent to this eye look. Take a kind of dense brush. I use the liner shader brush that I have, and you're going to put it right here, kind of in the middle of your eye, right at the most round point, okay? And you're going to just kind of pack that on. And then what you're going to do to help blend these colors in, just kind of bring it in to your crease, just a little bit. Just pat it on. And the really cool thing about these shadows right here is that they're so buildable and they're so pigmented, so they work so well together and they're so easy to just achieve that perfect look that you want. Okay, so now we got the purple on, right? We're gonna go in with this darker color, which is called Marvelous. Same little crease brush. Let's get a little bit on because this is super pigmented, and put it right in the corner right here. And that's gonna add so much depth to all this, and then you're gonna blend out. Okay, so now it is time. You got all this blended out here, right? It's time to really give this look the pop that it needs. You're gonna take this shimmer, that's the lightest shade with this palette. Take a dense brush, and then you're going to pat this on the inner corner and bring it up to the top of your crease. And again, patting motions is honestly, I think, the best. And then we're going to blend all these colors together so seamlessly. And I really, really like to take what's extra on my brush and kind of bring it up here and give that brow bone a really nice highlight. Okay, so now that you got your colors set on, time to blend them together a little bit better than what they are right now. So I go back in with the shade that I did with the purple, same brush, and I gently just kind of wipe the things together. Blend. Does not take a whole lot of touching or being harsh against it. Just softly blend your colors. Make them seamless. Okay, so you got everything blended out, and oh my gosh, the colors work perfectly together with this palette. Now it's time to pair this with your favorite eyeliner and your favorite mascara. I'm using the Dip and Draw liner in Perfect and the 4D mascara. Look at the difference that just eyeliner and mascara adds to this look. Like, hello. So I've been using lash primer first. Okay. And then I take my 4D mascara, brush off the little extra, and then shimmy and pull up. And it's that simple to get amazing lashes with this look. I swear, this is such a simple eye look that literally anybody can do this. The really great thing about this palette, it is super versatile. It is soft, but you can also make it bold, and it pairs well with any kind of lipstick. You can make a bold lip, or you can do a neutral lip, anything that you choose. I chose the color Snarky in my liquid lipstick. I absolutely love this color with this look. It pops that purple perfectly. Okay, so the colors that I use for today's look is Optimistic, Ambiguous, Nimble, and Marvelous. These pair so well together. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I am so glad you joined me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.